Do you think petting is your dog's favorite thing? You might be surprised. While hugs and head rubs are comforting, there are things that melt a dog's heart even more. And number 7 might completely change how you make your dog happy. If you truly understand these simple but powerful joys, every day with your furry friend won't just be fun, it will deepen your bond like never before. In this video, we'll explore 10 things dogs love even more than being petted. 1. Exploring the world of scents for dogs, life isn't about colors, it's about smells. That's why they stop at every lamppost, tree, and patch of grass. Their nose is up to 100,000 times stronger than ours, reading an entire story in every sniff. Who was here, how they felt, even their health. Many owners rush walks, robbing dogs of this joy. For them, sniffing is often more exciting than an hour of petting. Slow down and let them enjoy it. Where's your dog's favorite sniff spot? 2. Playing chase and tug of war. Petting is sweet, but interactive games like fetch or tug of war are pure bliss. Tossing a ball awakens ancient hunting instincts. Every catch is a victory. For breeds like retrievers and collies, this isn't just fun, it's emotional fulfillment. Even on busy days, a few minutes of play is a priceless gift. 3. Satisfying their chewing urge. Ever wonder why your dog can chew for hours? For puppies, it eases teething pain. For adults, it relieves stress, keeps teeth healthy, and stimulates their mind. Without proper chew toys, dogs may turn to shoes or furniture. Safe, size-appropriate chews can bring them quiet joy, sometimes until they fall asleep mid-chew. 4. Free outdoor playtime. Watch your dog's eyes when you unclip the leash. It's pure excitement. Running free outdoors isn't just exercise. It's an outlet for primal energy. Studies show it reduces anxiety, prevents obesity, and boosts lifespan. Even a few laps in a park or backyard can mean more than the warmest hug. 5. Having little jobs to do. Dogs love having a purpose. Whether it's bringing slippers, picking up toys, or guarding the door, these jobs trigger dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. Teaching simple tasks like fetching the remote or closing a door makes them beam with pride. What's your dog's favorite job? 6. Hearing verbal praise. A cheerful good boy or good girl can light up your dog's entire day. Science shows praise from you, their pack leader, triggers oxytocin, the same hormone linked to maternal love. They don't always need treats. Sometimes your voice is the best reward. What's your go-to phrase? 7. Using their nose for problem-solving. Dogs' noses aren't just for sniffing. They're incredible problem solvers. Games like hiding treats under cups, using snuffle mats, or scent trails mentally challenge them and relieve boredom. Just 10 minutes a day of nose work can make dogs noticeably happier and calmer. 8. A safe, cozy sleeping spot. A dog's sleeping place is their den, a source of safety and relaxation. Whether it's a soft bed, under a table, or curled beside you, this space lowers stress hormones and restores energy. Some even relax by sniffing their favorite blanket before sleep. 9. Eye contact with you. When your dog gazes into your eyes, it's love. A Japanese study found that 30 seconds of eye contact raises oxytocin levels in both dog and owner, strengthening the bond. Just like a mother and child, even a few moments of quiet gazing can make your dog feel deeply connected. 10. Being part of their pack. You above all else, what your dog loves most is simply being with you. They follow you into the kitchen, sit by your feet, even trail you into the bathroom. Not for treats, but because you are their safe, happy place. For them, your presence is the ultimate gift. Final thoughts. A dog's happiness isn't built on extravagant things, but on simple, genuine moments. Letting them sniff, play, chew, work, be praised, share eye contact, and spend time with you. Which of these surprised you most? Or does your dog have quirky favorites of their own? Share your stories below. I read every single one. If this helped you see your dog in a new way, hit subscribe, because there are plenty more secrets to explore together.